Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to increase text height in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Sometimes when working in Autocad, the text in your drawing can appear too small to read clearly. Increasing the text height is a simple adjustment that can make your drawings more professional, easier to understand, and much more readable. To begin, open your Autocad project and locate the text you want to resize. This can be labels, dimensions, notes, or any text object in your drawing. Click on the text once to select it. You should see the text highlighted, confirming that it's active and ready to edit. Next, double-click the text. This will open the text editor mode, where you can modify different text properties such as font, formatting, and height. Once inside the text editor, highlight all the text if it isn't already selected. This ensures the changes apply to the entire text object and not just part of it. Now, look toward the upper left section of the text editor toolbar. You'll see a box displaying a number. This number represents the current text height. Simply click inside that box and type a new height value. For example, if the current height is too small, try increasing it to a larger value until the text becomes easier to read. After entering the new height, press Enter or click outside the text editor to apply the changes. You should immediately notice that the text appears larger and more visible in your drawing. This is especially useful when creating technical drawings, floor plans, or detailed designs where readability is important. Proper text sizing helps ensure that anyone viewing your project can clearly understand the information presented. If needed, repeat the same process for other text elements throughout your drawing. Over time, adjusting text properties will become a quick and natural part of your Autocad workflow. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.